Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kidan arpusangur Khynnah naga jalla kibrelam daga Laysinshire Cultural Society Karnataka. Kini Khynnah kidai shubhongut na East Khasi Hills, Nyongut na East Jainti Hills, Hindrungut na West Jainti Hills but Iway na West Khasi Hills. Yakini baro lawan yalam no mentagasngi. Shagani jalla but on pensa her children's home girls hamau kasyang. Layalami kidi Khynnah Karnataka ha ujiliu mentausnam naga jingkular ban penbyang yaka jaka shong jaka sa. Ban penbyang ka bam kadi haringkat ka puli puthi Hindre ka chairperson jaka Child Welfare Committee janga chika Balapur janga jila Karnataka kalayo jingtim bakini Khynnah ki em so sat bha la ai ki daga bam ka basa ko kidi ru kide ka bashli tong hi nawa kumda ki bo sarkar lali chayu ki Khynnah na ka hostel bagisa na swamya kasanu pali students home kabran hakashnong penumale balapinsa eki ha children's home janga sarkar hachika Balapur. Child Welfare Committee na Karnataka kla ujor e jahar hi ki borpenya jangka hostel kumjuru ki brio ki belam yakin ki Khynnah Karnataka bat menta ga kam kadang don ha jing bisha banya jangka Karnataka High Court. Gini ki Khynnah menta kla poi hashulong ha ka baga Child Welfare Committee na Karnataka kla IT menta ga sngi ha ka Child Welfare jangka Meghalaya. Tengin sngap ikajing batai jong ki officer ka Child Welfare na Karnataka but kumjuru na ga jala Meghalaya halo ka kam.
Children were being rescued. We got a distress call from Child Helpline 1098 by the local aids people saying that the children were not able to understand the language. They were being admitted to the government school which teaches Kannada language of all the subjects and they were not able to adjust with the food. They used to cook once in 5 days. Okay, that was been served for the children and there was no proper hygiene also. The water they have to get from the river and they have to drink it. Okay, they have to they should not waste the food. If the food is thrown in the dustbin, they have to eat from the dustbin. Like this much severe condition was there going on. Even if they don't eat, they used to beat them. So we have filed an FIR on the warden and also the institution and also on the person who took the children from here to there to on the leave of providing the best education for them and we train the trust of the parents. There in Bagepalli, it is the name of Aim for Seva Trust. Aim for Seva Trust. So this Linksa Society has transferred these kids for the Aim for Seva Trust of Bagepalli, Chikbulapur. How did you know? Sir, I got a distress call from Child Helpline 1098. So we cannot disclose that.
Well, they could be, but we don't have a list as such. But most of the times that we have received it is through the Laysinshire Cultural Society. So this is one organization that is definitely operating illegally and has been sending children in these kind of conditions. We have, I'll give it to you. I mean, we have some letters and some, communications that we've made, and most of the times they have refused to give us any answer because they say that they are not an organization. So they are only helping children, but it is not an organization.
Who's running it? Who's running it? Like obviously, some people are there.
There are people who we have met, and like I said, I'm not at a place where I can disclose names right now, but whatever action has to be taken will be taken from the receiver.